What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. Today we're going to be talking about Robinhood. But we're not just talking about Robinhood, we're talking about Robinhood stock. And the reason I'm talking to you about Robinhood stock today is because there is a significant event that's going to take place on Wednesday. Now, we are going to get right into the video, but before we do, I do ask that you please do smash that like button so that the YouTube algorithm shares this video with as many apes as possible. And of course, if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe because I drop content just like this every single day. So if you're an ape, if you've been an ape, and I'm assuming that you're an ape if you're watching my channel because my channel is for the apes, and a lot of apes are subscribed to my channel. And if you are an ape, then you already know that Robinhood has created a lot of trouble for us in the past. They've screwed us out of a lot of money, out of a small fortune. Hell, they've screwed us out of a large fortune. And if you've been paying attention, then you know that they've screwed us out of this large fortune by restricting one side of the trade when it was time for us to really make some money. And they did this back in January by restricting the trading, or they took away the freaking buy button on GME, AMC, Nokia, and several other meme stocks, as they want to call them. And for what? Was it to protect us? Because they said it was to protect us, kind of. They also said it's because, of margin that they were not able to meet. But really, it was because they were protecting somebody. They were protecting venture capital. They were protecting Ken Griffin and Shitadel, whatever the hell you want to call them. They're pieces of shit. So they were protecting all them hedgy mans and screwed us over when they're supposed to be protecting us. And some of you may be wondering, well, why in the hell does this matter? Only the new guys, though, because I know that all of my veterans that have been on this channel already know the answer. But let me fix my hat real quick. For those of you that don't know why it matters because they took away one side of the trade. They took away the buy button. When you take away the buy button, it creates nothing but selling pressure, which means that the stocks that we held and owned and should have gone up significantly higher, that were going up significantly higher, that were making us a freaking large fortune. Well, when that buy button was taken away, there's only one button left. And that one button left, that was the sell button. So it created pressure to the downside, which means that it created pressure against the positions that we were holding. So it adversely affected us and created freaking selling pressure, which means that we as retail investors lost money so that the freaking hedgy man clowns could keep their freaking large fortunes from being lost, because we were taking away their money. We were taking their money and putting it into our pockets. When that happens, it becomes a problem. No one gives a shit except for us, because it hurts us, because it kind of hurt them. Does that make sense? I don't know if it makes sense or not for you, but you know what? We could have been rich as hell. Instead, we're just semi-rich. Some of us may even be broke or poor because these sons of guns decided to stop us from being able to buy the stocks that we wanted to buy. When in the hell in the history of the stock market has that ever happened before? Still waiting for an answer? Never. This was the damn first time it's ever happened. Okay? I know you know this. I know you're aggravated by this. I know you're pissed off. If you've lost a shitload of money because of this, you're just as pissed off as I am. We could have been filthy freaking rich, but these bastards took away our ability to become freaking filthy rich apes. And when that happens, it becomes a problem. So now, it's time for us to get some payback. And if you're with me, just listen. Now, when this happens, you get a lot of outrage. You get a lot of pissed off people. Now, these pissed off people have been waiting for the opportunity to screw over Robinhood as soon as possible. And I know this because I read my comments in the comments section and because I'm a smart fella. And when I see people saying, hey, man, I'm no longer going to be trading on the Robinhood platform. I'm leaving Robinhood. I'm going to trade anywhere else except for Robinhood. Well, that's a sign. That's a sign that tells me, hey, man, Robinhood ain't going to be doing too well. Now, I know that there's a false narrative that's been going around on YouTube. Other YouTubers have put out videos saying Robinhood's going to go broke. They're hurting, blah, 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 blah. I don't even watch some damn videos. I just look at the thumbnails. If I'm going to be honest, I may as well be extremely transparent with you guys. And by being extremely transparent, I mean this. Will Robinhood really go broke? Is this really hurting them really bad? Well, probably not. Because, just like we've seen from those interviews with Mark Cahotas that I've been playing on my channel, there's plenty of other companies willing to buy up Robinhood if they get into trouble. So Robinhood didn't really give a crap. And that's just fine and dandy with me. If Robinhood didn't give a crap, neither do I. But here's the thing. Here's why I'm talking about this. Here's why I'm bringing it up. You can profit off of Robinhood's misfortune. Now, it may not be the worst misfortune in the world for Robinhood, but who gives a crap? At least you can get some of your money back if you listen and pay attention right now. Robinhood stock should, for all intents and purposes, be going down after Wednesday. Why? Because of a lockup expiration period. Now, Robinhood, okay, pay attention to this, they didn't have the traditional IPO because employees could still get rid of their shares of stock immediately after the stock freaking, IPO'd. They could get rid of 15% of their stock. 90 days later, another 15%. Lockup expiration is on Wednesday, which means people will be selling Robinhood. Why? Because people are outraged. People are pissed off because Robinhood screwed us over. Also, because of regulation, because this whole thing about the corruption in the market and Robinhood and Ken Griffin and everything else that's been going on has been a hot topic, an extremely hot topic. So, do you think that investors, people that are invested in Robinhood, will pull out once they're able to? Once this expiration period comes to fruition, once they're able to do it? Hell yeah. I think so. But, it could be risky business. I don't know. I'm just bringing it to your attention that this is going to happen Wednesday. So I'm going to tell you what I'm doing. I could be wrong. You may love Robinhood. Others may love Robinhood. And they may say, you know what, we're going to buy more Robinhood. But if I'm right, that shit ain't going to happen. And if it doesn't happen, then Robinhood stock should be going down. So what I'm going to do starting tomorrow, is buy puts on Robinhood. Now, if I'm wrong, sue me. But if I'm right, may the Lord bless me for being right, because Robinhood deserves every last bit of this. And I hope that you guys are paying attention. I hope you guys do the same thing. I'm not telling you to do it, but if you did, it would be great. Let's make Robinhood great again. Hell no. Let's short the shit out of their stock using put options. Let's go.